Hey guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to descale your Nespresso Evoluo machine. So let's just go ahead and get started. First things first, make sure that there aren't any used capsules in the machine. Make sure it's empty. And go ahead and turn on the machine by pressing the button one time. Now to the water tank, I'm going to add 1 packet of the descaling solution. And this solution is about 100 milliliters, and to that we're going to add 500 milliliters of fresh water. Press and hold the on button until it starts to quickly blink. Turn left to lock and then right to unlock. Press and hold the button another 7 to 10 seconds. We're getting ready to activate the descaling process. Okay, turn left to lock it and press once to actually begin. The descaling process takes about 20 minutes from beginning to end. Go ahead and dump out that liquid and add 500 milliliters of fresh water to the water tank. And place your fill container back in front and press the button one time to start this next part of the process. Now what this is doing is just going to push that fresh water through the machine to make sure that any descaling solution is flushed out. Okay, so just press and hold that button again until it stops flashing. It's about 7 to 10 seconds. And turn it to the right to unlock it, and now the descaling process is complete. Nespresso recommends that you wait at least 10 minutes for your machine to dry before making your next cup of coffee. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe.